Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today you're going to learn how to make these beautiful pants. I'm so excited to show it to you. Let's get started. Here are the things needed for making the pants. I have this beautiful lacy fabric here. It's kind of stretchy, okay? It's not the type that will start punch you or piercing your body. It's stretchy and it's very soft. Then I have this crepe fabric that I'm going to use for the crouch part of the pant. My tape, a pen, my scissors, and of course I'm going to use this hard stay to cut my pattern out. The first measurement is going to be the length of the pants, okay? So I'm going to use 7.5 inches. You could use more than that, you could use less. It's a matter of choice, depends on how sexy you want it to be. So I'll just mark my 7.5 right here and move it forward a bit and also mark there. Thereafter I will just connect the lines together so that it will be straight. Then I will just draw a line through like this. Thereafter I will get the measurement of my waist. I'm going to mark it at the top here. My waist is 34 inches. I'm going to divide it by 4. Then I will have 8.5 inches. I hope you know how to use your tape to divide it into 4. So I have my 8.5 here. I will just place it right here. Remember that this pattern paper is on fold, okay? So I'll mark it right here. Then on this line, I'm going to mark my hip measurements. My hips is 42 inches. I'm going to divide it by 4, which gives me 10.5 inches. So after getting my 10.5 inches right here, I'll just place it on this line like so. Then mark my 10.5 right here. Thereafter, I'm just gonna take another measurement, which is that of the crouch. I'm going to take 1.5 from that place where it ends, okay? Then I'll take another 1.5 inches again upwards like this. Then move it forward a bit and mark it here so that we'll have a straight line. Then connect the lines together and kind of form a square or a box shape there. Can you see the way I'm connecting the lines together now? After drawing this line like so, I'm just going to take from this very point and draw my curve. That's the crouch curve now. So let me just join these lines together so that I'll have a straight line. So I'll just mark it to have a straight line here. Thereafter I'll just curve it like so. Okay, so that's my crouch curve. So I'll just cut it out right now. After cutting it out, I'm just gonna take my pattern paper like this and fold it in half like so. The measurement I'm going to use here is going to be 3 inches by 4 inches. What I'm cutting out right now is going to be for the crouch. This piece is going to be for the crouch area, okay, to cover up that area. So I'm using 4 inches by 3 inches. So I'll just mark it like this and mark this other place. Then ensure that it's straight up. Then cut it out. After cutting out, I'll make sure that I divide this other place as well. Here is it. I cut it on fold, okay? You can see this place is folded like so. So this is the length of this is the circumference of my hips divided by 4, I have 10.5. My hips is 42, and here is that of the waist, which is 34. I divided by 4 and I have 8.5 inches, and this is the height of the pants. This is the height of how I want it to be, 7.5 inches. You could make it more than that, it can be less than that. It depends on how sexy you want the pants to be. And here is that of my crouch. I took 1.5 inches from here upwards, 1.5 here. Then I just curve it like so. I believe you understood everything. Now I'm just going to place it on top of my fabric. I'm going to cut out 2 pieces of this. I'm gonna use the stretchy part of this lace fabric. If I do it like this, it's not really stretchy, but like this you can see it. So I'm gonna do it like this, then fold it into 2 like so. You can see after placing it like this on fold, I'm going to cut out the first part, then cut out the second part.
This is Ahviworld.
You can see the 2 piece. So I'm just gonna do it like so, spread it, then lay the other one over it like so, right sides facing each other. Now like this, I'm going to choose the side that is going to be in front from here, and the other side that will be at the back. So the side that is going to be at the front, I'm going to reduce the crouch, okay, by just half an inch. It's not supposed to be as wide as that of the back. From one of the side, like I said, I'm going to cut out half an inch, okay, from this place, then just curve it half an inch like so. Then I'll just curve it up.
This is Ahviworld.
So this side is going to be my front, while the wider side is going to be my the back side, okay. So what I'll do right now is just to take it to the sewing machine and stitch it from here to this place. I'll leave here, then come to this other side, sew it as well from here down to this place. Here is the one I'm going to put in between the crouch, okay. So what I'm going to do, remember that I reduced the front side by half an inch, okay. So I'm going to fold it into 2 like this. Then from one side I'll just reduce half an inch like I did. I'll remove half an inch from here. I'll just mark here like this, half an inch. So I'll just trace it to this place and cut it so that this part will be narrow. It look in form of a triangle, okay. So I'll just cut it like so. So after cutting it, you can see it's looking in form of a triangle. This side is going to be the front side and this is the back side. So I'm going to place it like this on the fabric and cut it out. So I'm cutting 2 out, okay. So but what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one inside, then the lacy fabric will be on top of it. After placing it over it like this, so I'll just cut it out. But in cutting, I'll make sure that I leave just very little inch. I will not cut it directly on the line because of sewing allowance. You can see just a little inch, less than half an inch, that I'll use to sew it. Here are the 2 pieces, so I will just go ahead, turn it like this, right side facing right side. I'll sew here, and turn it out. Here is it. I finished it. So when I sew it, I just turn it inside out. Then I just top stitch here so that it can be flat for me. Then you can as well iron it. So thereafter I will look for the front side of it. Remember, the front is smaller than the back side, okay? Now here is the front side. You can see I'll just place it here like this. You can see it's the exact size, so I'll just take it to my machine now and run it. I'll stitch from here to this place. Then I'll take the back side as well. This other side that is wider is the back, so I'll place it as well like so, then run it again. Here is it. I'm done with it. Wow. At the comfort of my home, I was able to make this. Can you see what I did? Look at the inside, very neat. Okay, after that I top stitch it. I just folded the edges down. You see, I went a step ahead to make sure I fold the edges down. You could leave it like that, but I decided to fold the edge down because it wasn't having a scallop piece, so I don't want it to start losing up, so that's why I folded it down. Even the leg side, as the lap side, the down part of it, I folded it down as well. Then I went ahead again and top stitch the inner part, all the seam I have inside. I made sure I top stitch it so that it will last long for me. I wanted that durability to be there. I don't want to wear it just once and it starts loosening up. Do you understand? Wow. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do that. This is amazing. You can try this out at the comfort of your home. When you try it, don't forget to tag me. My Facebook page is Ahviworld, so try and tag me there. See the back side, I also went a step ahead to add scallop. They call it scallop, the edge of the lace. I trimmed it out and I just stitch it at the back side. I cut it in the form of a V, then I slanted it and I just attach it there. Wow, I'm so excited for making this. Kindly turn on the notification bell so they can get notified anytime we upload new videos, and stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.